need to work on this. Today we are going to be making mini brands into slime. Except these are mini verse, but it's like the same thing. It's pretty simple. We got a ball, we get our stuff in there, and then we make a slime out of the stuff in there. You have 2 balls?
Yeah, I have 2 balls.
I have 3.
Let's get started on into the video. Yo. Before we start, real quick, I just want to take a moment to thank every person who has supported us in these 7 years of Slimatory. It is insane, guys. We have so much. Slimatory grew so big. Our little Slimatory family isn't so little anymore.
It's this big.
I think a little bit bigger. It is crazy. I just want to thank everybody who has come to the Slimatory store and have supported us and throughout the entire 7 years, all of our viewers and everybody, thank you so much. I literally can't thank you enough, but hopefully this thank you is a little bit. Let's start the challenge. First, grab a ball.
I got.
I want to throw it into the air and then you can catch one. Okay.
All right, sounds good. Let's do
this is probably a little dangerous.
No, it's good.
But
no, I'm
let's
ready.
go.
We're professional. Oh!
All right, now you gotta throw one for me. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
And 3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
Let's open up our balls.
I got mine ready. Let's see what I got. Woo! What do we got? What do we got? What is that?
Oh, I think it's cereal. I think
Oh!
it's backwards.
Oh, I know what to do already. I got my slime idea.
Is it cereal?
It's cereal.
Oh, no way!
All right, wait. Let's open this. Let's finish this. Oh yeah, I got the bowl. I got the bowl. Oh wait. What do we got? This has got to be a spoon. It's a spoon. It's cereal. And then we got the milk, right? The milk.
I got the milk.
Woo! I know exactly. That's gonna be the easiest slime.
I did that before, but it was like rainbow cereal, which personally I think is better. But
Good luck.
my turn. Okay, let's see what this first one is. Whipped cream. All right. Okay, I have no idea what it is still. Ooh, a cup. Okay. All right. We're getting closer. Pineapples.
Okay, well, what is it?
I don't know.
Come on.
Pineapple.
Open the right thing.
Pineapple whipped cream punch. Juice.
I still-
Pineapple juice.
Okay, it's pineapple juice.
Okay, I think it's a pineapple whipped cream juice punch cup.
Yeah, that's it.
A straw. Let's make these.
Time to eat some cereal, Amira.
No.
Oh, it doesn't say do not eat anywhere.
They're not edible, Paul.
All right, whatever. I want to make it now. All right, so first we got our cereal. Wait. Milk first, milk after. It's obvious. Hold on. It's milk after.
I do milk first.
No, it's milk after.
I like milk first. I know it's wrong. I agree, but I like it first.
You know what? I'm gonna put milk after, though this one looks like it should have been before. What a milk jar. Oh my. Just put the rest of the cereal. There it is. All done. I got my cereal. Let's go.
That one's easy. I'm gonna make mine now. First, our pineapple juice. And now we add my pineapple. We'll put my whipped cream. I actually am gonna put my pineapple at the end. That doesn't fit! And done. I am having some deja vu and I feel like I did this exact thing last challenge, but I'm gonna do it again. But this time I'm gonna do it better. All right, I'm gonna put some yellow food coloring, Slimatory coloring, which is also food coloring, into some clear slime. And then it's not fully clear, so I'm going to be adding a tiny bit of mystical clay, white clay. And I'm gonna add some pineapple scent, which smells amazing.
We're gonna use my machine. All right, we're gonna start our glue from scratch. All right, we're gonna put some of this glue in here, which is white glue because it looks like milk already. And then we're gonna use cake scent because that smells really good.
It smells exactly like milk. It's amazing.
All right.
It also smells like cake. It just depends on what you're thinking about. It's great.
All right, now we're gonna mix it and we're gonna put some Slimatory Pro Activator. Activate!
Okay, I'm gonna make my pineapple part now, which I made this with the cap. It like worked perfectly, but I gotta dye it yellow. So we're gonna do that. It's just gonna be like a very light yellow. So we're gonna put a little bit and then I'm gonna mix it.
All right, I think I got some real competition here. I'm gonna work really hard on my little donut thingies.
That's cereal.
They're cereal, but they look like donuts. They look like donuts, mini donuts. And I'm done. Check this out, my slime is beautiful. Whoa, I really like it. I think I'm getting better at slime than you are because I've been at the new Slimatory store making a ton of slime.
I have been there just as much as you have, and I've met so many of you guys. It's so fun. It's crazy. Some of you guys are literally coming from different states, and it's just mind-blowing that you guys would come all the way over here to see the Slimatory. And you guys are literally around the world. The Slimatory family is around the world, guys. And I'm done with my pineapple. Look how cute it is. I do that. Usually, I I feel like I don't do too well on molding these pieces of clays, but this one, I love it. I think I did a great job.
It's beautiful,
It came out
Amira.
perfectly, and I just used the cap.
That's
and a knife.
insane. I never done a pineapple
knife.
so beautiful. I need to step up my game
Never
here.
done anything
All
so
I got is white slime. I was gonna use this as a bowl, but then Amira shows me this amazing thing, so I'm using this. I found this beautiful,
That is so
perfect
much
bowl.
different than this, Paul.
Yeah, I know.
It is a perfect, like I said, but now I'm gonna be making the little whipped cream part on top of the cup. And I actually have this little whipped cream thing from, I think, a store-bought slime I had earlier. And it's actually a perfect whipped cream mold. So I'm gonna be using that as a little whipped cream mold.
I'm gonna turn these. We have the perfect mold for donuts, donut things. I keep calling them donuts. And done. Check this out. It's beautiful. Bam. Look at that. Wait, final thing is spoon.
Where'd you get a spoon? I'm going to assemble my slime piece. So we got the pineapple juice. And then we have whipped cream. We'll put the whipped cream on top.
Here's a chocolate.
I don't want that. And then we gotta put our straw. I think I put the straw first. And I don't know where I'm gonna put this pineapple.
It's massive.
I gotta shove it somewhere. I mean, I had to shove it in there too, so. Perfect! I love it! I think I did better this time than I did the other time, if I'm remembering correctly, because I don't remember.
All right, so I guess it's judgment time, and I just have a question for you guys.
Me.
Who was
Hey,
me?
me, I'm not.
Hey!
She said last.
Did you say
And
last?
you said me.
Said last.
Check this out.
Ooh.
It's a spinning bowl.
Oh my gosh, it smells good.
Look at the resemblance between the two. I can't tell the difference except the white ones.
Well, where's the brown ones?
That's the brown
No,
ones.
there's some like tan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yellow
that's supposed to be the white one. Okay,
Okay.
forget it. I think this looks more kawaii than this anyways.
Yeah,
We're not supposed to go with
resemblance
Hawaii. We're
is
supposed to be
not-
going with what's.
It looks great. Now let's make some ASMR happen here. All right, watch the skills I've been learning at the store.
What store?
The Slimatory store. The new Slimatory store at Suntown Village next to Harkins Theater. All right, check this out. Come on, look at my ASMR. Look at my skills. It's gonna turn into a butter slime.
Smells so good.
Thumbs up, everybody.
Wow, that looks like an ice cream.
That looks like.
Make
poop.
sure you leave a like for my slime because my slime is
Slay
slay.
Okay, my turn. Okay, we've got my pineapple whip juice thingy, and now my pineapple whip slime thingy.
That looks amazing, Amira.
I think it looks
You know
pretty
what? You know what? Let me see that. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think you should sell that at the Slimatory
I think I should make a slime because
I love
it looks really cute.
Somebody's favorite, and what about mine?
Wow,
Okay.
that one is so
A little
nice.
bit
Don't
ASMR.
destroy it.
Wow, that smells really good.
Yeah, it smells like pineapple. And this will turn into a beautiful yellow pineapple butter slime.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
it's so buttery. All right.
Fantastic, right?
We know who won here.
We
Let's
definitely
move
know
on.
who won.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did.
After giving it a lot of thought, I think I have a winner.
If you give it a win to her, I will smash this on her face.
The loser is Paul.
All right, I won my pineapple whip.
I love
I think that was a pretty good round. Let's get on to the other one. We got 2 more balls. I'm going to change them and you choose one side.
Okay, I want that one.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Nothing. I get 2 balls. I'm just kidding. And I'm ready. Let's see. Hopefully I get something different this time. Whipped cream. Okay, I hope this isn't the same thing. Oh, no way. Pineapple juice.
I mean, it's the same thing.
Pineapple slices.
How unlucky are you?
Oh my god. And a cup. Okay, I feel like I should get another ball, or you should get this ball.
I want this ball. This is my ball.
Okay, then I will get another ball.
All right, while she's looking for her ball, I'm gonna look for this. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, this is totally different. We've never gotten this before. Okay, what does it have? Oh, it's gel, I think.
A cake?
Sprinkles! We got sprinkles! I got a little bit excited.
Yeah, seriously.
What is that?
Donuts?
Donuts! I'm so happy! Oh, it's donuts inside a box. Oh, look at this, guys. What? This is going to be the best slime. I mean, I cannot win against this. This is
I hope
donut
I
slime.
get something good because that donut is pretty cool. Next one, hopefully this one's different. Okay, come on. Ice! It's a little bag of ice! So cute! Okay, little bag of ice. I think that's definitely different. We got a cup. Oh, is it like a boba?
Oh!
It's got a cap. Okay, this is a straw. What else is here? Oh, are those boba? Oh my god, I think it's boba.
Oh, it's boba! No, I thought my donuts were cool.
Boba tea! Milk tea! Okay, I think that's
She
it.
one-upped me.
I got freaking boba tea. I am so excited.
You gotta be kidding me. I thought I had the best thing that I could ever get, and she gets boba.
Boba tea, look how cute.
I'm gonna put mine together. Oh, we got pink frosting.
That's so pretty.
You're
really bad at that.
Now let's put the sprinkles on top. Woo!
Oh my God. You yelled loud, you scared me.
Look at that, it's so pretty. This looks amazing.
That looks pretty good, I like it.
Yeah, I know.
I wanna eat it. Time to make my boba. I would love a boba. I haven't had a boba in a while.
Let's go.
Okay, first we got our little boba packet. Look at how cute that is. I can't open it. Look at how cute. Okay, am I supposed to put them all in there or like, we're gonna go with all of it. I want extra boba today. Okay, and then you put your ice. Look at how cute. It's got a little freaking holder thing. And then the rest is our juice, our milk tea. And I am finished. Look at how cute. Okay, let's start.
The first thing I want to do is make my donut, which is the simplest part for me. All right, so last time I didn't match the color perfectly.
But this time I am.
I'm gonna mix these two colors and it's gonna equal that. Check this out. I got a donut mold and it came out like that. Whoa, look at that. Now I gotta make the slime part. I made the hardest part.
You said that was the easiest part, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically my slime is just clear slime, and then I have my foam beads, and I've been using these jelly cubes, pre-cut laboratory jelly cubes as ice, because I feel like they look so much like ice. Okay, so first I'm going to be making my boba syrup part. There isn't any boba syrup in this one, but usually boba has syrup, and I really like how that looks, so I'm gonna add that. So I'm gonna make this like a dark brown.
I've changed my mind. Amira has this boba and I gotta compete with that. So actually the color is not perfect. I'm gonna fix it with some yellow and I'm gonna make it a jelly-filled donut.
Actually, I think orange would do better in that.
And I'm gonna make it a jelly-filled donut. You don't know anything, Amira. I've been the one mastering slime
But
here.
like red would be better.
I've been the
It's
one
kinda more
mastering slime.
And I know everything.
Well, I'm done with my boba syrup. I'm gonna add it into my boba beads. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, it looks like boba. Okay, here's my boba. It looks amazing. I am going to make this the like boba tea part, the juice. And it's kind of like a white color, but I don't want to just do like white. It looks like it's got like a hint of pink in there. So I'm just gonna make it more pink than it would be. So I'm gonna be making it strawberry flavored. So we're gonna put some, like just a tad bit of pink, like a little dot. And then some strawberry scent. And I'm also going to be adding white food coloring once I find it in the chaos of my counter.
I think I got my dough straight on. Now we're gonna make my jelly filling and top by putting some pink in there. That was a lot of pink. I don't care, Mira. She always has something to say.
I didn't say
She always has
anything.
something
I'm just
to say.
trying to make my tea look good, and I think it looks pretty good. I added clay instead of white food coloring, and I like it.
All right, we got our jelly filling slime. Now it's time to assemble.
Avengers Assemble!
The Avengers aren't real, Paul.
Look at how cool this is. Amira's totally gonna lose.
That is interesting, Paul. I like that. You want some strawberry in there?
No. Yes.
I really hope that doesn't ruin the shape of your donut.
Is it gonna work? Amira! It's a jelly filled donut!
Oh, just don't show them the backside.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. And now I'm gonna top it with my
Jelly!
on top of it. And I just need my sprinkles and I'll be done. Whoa! Look at the resemblance. I think I did pretty good.
Well, I'm gonna finish my boba drink. I got my tea done and I'm gonna add my ice. Now I'm gonna do it like I did with the actual tea itself when I was building it. So I'm gonna put the ice first, which are jelly cubes. And then we're gonna add my boba tea, which I think turned out perfect and it smells so good. We're just gonna add that on top and we're gonna let that sink in. And then I'm gonna put my straw in, but I'm basically done. It looks so cute. I love it. I really hope I win.
Sprinkles! Done.
Oh,
I am
so
finished.
Cute.
I love it.
Where's your slime though?
I can't wait.
It's inside.
And I am finished. I added some ice cubes on top and I'm gonna put my straw and I'm done. It kind of looks like a birthday cake. I love this. I need to turn this into an actual slime. Look how
Yeah,
cute.
that looks really good actually. I'm not gonna
the
lie.
straw up.
This is some competition. You're gonna have a hard time, Jay. Come on, mine is pretty.
I like the idea behind it. It's cool.
Excuse me, it's beautiful.
It is also really pretty.
It is pretty.
It's gonna turn into a
But-
butter slime once you mix it. I know everything about
It
that.
doesn't really look like the donut.
Who wants to go?
Hey!
she say
Why
first?
is she so fast?
See how fast I am?
Amira, let me see yours. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Okay,
You
so
should
here-
model it for me first.
How do I model it? Like, do I?
We're just modeling it.
Okay, here it's. Where did my drink go? I have to make this little boba drink, and I made it into this. Look at how cute.
I prefer that one. I prefer the slime.
Yeah, because it's got more freaking color in it. I don't know what flavor this is. It's like dust flavor. Here is my slime. It kind of reminds me of a birthday cake with this like straw. It looks like a candle. Maybe if I get like a... Yay! Oh,
wow.
How does it actually fit?
Wow.
I thought it was gonna be too small. What the heck?
Oh, this is so
that's
cool.
amazing. And
You
there
win.
is my
You
boba.
win.
Thank you. I
I give you the win
I
just for
know.
that. Just kidding.
And this is my boba drink. It's very nice.
Ooh, can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
It looks pretty at the end.
Wow, I really like it, Amira, but you know what? Get out of here. Look,
My slime now.
look how beautiful. All right, let's crush this thing. And guess what? There's a surprise inside. That's not a surprise anymore because I told everybody. But here we go. You can't see it, but it's in there, I promise you.
Wow.
Yeah, I crushed the
That's
donut.
pretty cool.
I know.
You know what? But a real donut would be a lot better right now, Paul.
I think somebody's hungry.
Oh, I love the smell.
So, where's the slime?
It was in there. Somebody took it out.
I think mine turned out pretty cool. It's cool.
I think I have a winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Except it's boba, not chicken.
Are you guys ready for the final winner for the second round?
Yes.
Actually, the final winner, I guess.
No, hold on. I want to hold you. I want to stop everything here. I will give the win to Amira because I'm nice.
Aw,
I know I was gonna lose. I know I was gonna win. I know I was gonna win. But I think she should have the win
Why?
because I'm nice like that.
You're just nice.
Yeah.
Just feeling nice today.
I
Okay.
think he's winning.
I'll give you the win.
You were
this
just
time.
telling me, like, earlier how you're so much better at, like, making slime because of the slime bar than me.
Alright, so the winner is Amira!
Yeah! Paul, I expected better. What did you do? Like, you didn't have any slime. You could have taken this slime and put it on the bottom.
Yeah, I could have.
Alright guys, well this was super duper fun. I am so happy with the boba slime I made. I think I have to make an actual slime like this. But that is it. Also make sure that you guys visit Slimatory if you're in Arizona or wherever you are. Just come over to Arizona, Santan Village Mall, right next to Harkins Theaters, and come make some slime, buy some slime, get some slime supplies, or even get a hoodie or a backpack. And maybe I can see you too. Anyways, guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below who you think is better at slime. And that is it. Thank you so much. Really hope I see you next time. Bye.
Peace.